The significance of the extension opening for Eriez Europe is quite incredible in this new extension. It gives us 320 square metres of manufacturing capacity, and we've split that into three areas. The most important one being the eddy current separation, rotor, balancing and manufacturing bay. So we've got a balancing machine and a carbon fibre wrap machine internally here within Europe, which will increase our capacity by a third within the group. Secondly, we've got our light fabrication division installed within this new facility.
The achievement of this opening is an achievement of all of you who've worked here for years and years and have done things right. This division of Eriez Magnetics, 50 years old, Eriez Europe, is one of our most consistent performing companies. So I'm delighted to cut a ribbon, and I get the glory, but the honor belongs to you because you've done things right for 50 years. And this is just a manifestation of doing good business. Now, there we go.
This extension celebrates our 50th year of manufacturing in South Wales. As a business, we've developed enormously over that period of time.